A hopeless friend came up to me in so-called dire need of money. He asked me for 100 Malaysian ringgit to buy some credit on his phone so that he can call his mother or his girlfriend, who knows. Anyways, this guy promised me to pay me back in a month, so of course I gave him. Then 1 month passed and he gave me some stupid random excuses like how his girlfriend needed to buy the latest version of Samsung Galaxy S20, or that his mom had stage 5 nipple cancer. He always had these stupid excuses, and my stupid ass sat down and thought to myself that, well, he's a friend, of course he will pay back. Years passed by and he still haven't paid a single penny towards me. And I lost contact of him. Well, if I do ever meet him by chance, I will definitely use this assertive technique called the broken record technique. So what is the broken record technique? It's simply simple, alright? What you do is you just keep repeating the same core message you want to say over and over again just by rephrasing it. Like you're using Quillbot, just say it over and over again, but rephrase it. So in this example, if I ever meet that asshole friend who kept my money for years, hey man, glad you're still alive. Remember that you still owe me, time to pay up G. And he will probably deny and say, oh no, my phone just dragged on the sideway because I was swiping through Tinder and a bird cheated on me and I was shocked and I jumped and whatever he says, I will reiterate the same message. I would be sad too if that happened to me, but hey, you still owe me $100 and you have to pay up. And then he comes another excuse with about how his girlfriend cheated on him and he needed more time. I will keep repeating, yeah, your girlfriend's a bitch of course, but you still owe me $100 and I need that money back. You see, you get the point? I've tried this so many times and it works miraculously. It can also work in various situations, like if your boss gives you work that is out of your working description or your job description, you can also use this technique. Keep repeating to him, I'm sorry that no one is available to help you, but this is just not in my job description. And then your boss may say something like, oh well, you still need to do this because of that. And then you can just say it again, this is really not what I signed up for. Then your boss probably will offer you a raise or something, and from there you can either accept or deny. You see, being assertive is a fundamental skill so that people will not step on you. You work on. The more you have it, the more life will work on your way. You will be more responsible of whatever that happens onto you. So if you want to learn more, subscribe. And until then, take care and be fucking rock.